What's going on, my virtual home? What's up? What's up? Guys, first of all, I want to say welcome to the new year, okay? So, guys, I believe we are about 10 days into the new year, and I just got a question for you. I know you've been spending money in this new year, but my question is, how much have you invested into your own self development? See, guys, the truth is we have to stay on top of our self development, first of all, because we need to know ourselves, know thyself, okay? Because the truth is, the devil comes to steal, kill, and destroy. And I can even tell you, this year hasn't even been 10 days into the new year, and people that consider themselves my lovers and friends have already tried to discourage me, has already tried to tear me down, that has already tried to, shamble my name. So, guys, I'm going to talk to you guys about self-development today. I'm going to show you some of the self-development tools that I'm currently using so that I can remember who I am when someone tries to destroy me, because we have to remember that the enemy comes to steal, kill, and destroy. And one thing that we're not going to do, we're not going to let nobody get us down into this 2024 new year, okay? We're going to ignore that devil. We're going to keep on moving. We're going to keep on grinding. And guys, we're going to believe that all things work together for the good. Guys, this enemy of mine for right now, and I'm going to get my thought process together, but this person told me, oh, I see you've been working, I see you've been working on this and working on that, and you've been working on this and that for a long time, and it still ain't manifested for you. So therefore, I don't know if they were suggesting that therefore you should give up, or therefore you're just kind of wasting your time. I don't know what it was, guys, but I had to come to Jesus about this devil that tried to attack me, okay? Anyway, guys, we're going to be talking about some books that you can read to keep your mind sharp and keep your thought process intact, especially when you're under attack from people, places, thoughts, and, things that can get you distracted or try to derail you, okay? Because the truth is, guys, everybody that's in your corner is not really on your side. See, people want to occupy your life and your space for whatever benefit they feel like they're getting, but it's not for your better advancement, guys. And at the end of the day, sometimes it comes to a point where you have to cut people off. If you can't physically cut them off, then you mentally cut that devil off, all right? So, with that being said, I am reading a book that I got off of Amazon. Guys, my self-development tools early in this year is actually going to be books, okay? So, we are reading this book. It's called Think and Grow Rich. Y'all let us know in the comments if you ever heard of this book called Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. So this is what we're reading. Actually, this book has been revised and updated for the 21st century. So if you already have this book, but you have an older model, then it might be worth getting the revised and updated version. So with that being said, guys, this book has sold over 15 million copies worldwide. A book is not going to sell like that if it does not have anything to offer. Guys, I just now started reading this book, so I want you guys to order your Think and Grow Rich book. I'm going to put the link below in the comments. Order it so that we can talk about it. What I plan to do is a kind of like a mid-book review and chit chat, and then once we finish the entire book, I do want to do like an entire book review and chit chat. So guys, Think and Grow Rich is currently what I'm reading right now. On the back, Okay, we'll just go ahead and do a little spoiler as far as what the back reads. It says every chapter in this book mentions the money making secret that has made fortunes for more than 500 exceedingly wealthy people whom I carefully analyzed over a long period of years. The book contains the secret, which has been put into practical test by thousands of people from almost every walk of life. The secret to which I refer has been mentioned no fewer than 100 times throughout this book. It has not been directly named, for it seems to work more successfully when it is merely uncovered and left in sight, where those who are ready and searching for it may pick it up. If you are ready to put it to use, you will recognize this secret at least once in every chapter. I wish I could tell you um, I wish I could tell you how you will know if you are ready, but that would deprive you from of much of the benefit you will receive when you make the discovery on your own. So, guys, I am so excited with this book. Okay, like even some of the things that I was saying earlier in the video are like negative thought processes, and this book teaches us how to take our thoughts and actually have control over those thoughts and actually through what do you say, auto suggestion. Yeah, that's a key in the book. Y'all let me know when y'all get there about the auto suggestion. But through auto suggestion, that we can automatically suggest more positive thought processes and things like that. This book allows us to understand that you can actually think yourself to a more rich position, whether that's money wise or social economic wise or just personal development wise. Your mind plays a role in attracting, okay, attracting the things that you concentrate on. Let us know in the comments if you actually believe that your mind can help attract things to you, okay, whether it's money, whether it's people, whether it's a certain type of environment or things like that, guys. Because honestly, guys, I feel like sometime in my life I feel like I'm surrounded by all the wrong people. I feel like I got people around me that really um don't really want to see me succeed. These people seem like all they want to do is continuously hurt me and derail me and degrade me. But the thing about me, guys, I'm going to use this book, okay, to attract better quality friendships and people into my life, guys. I want to attract a better environment. I want to attract a better social economic status, okay? I want to attract more people that are for my better good, okay? And it's not just me wanting something from others. It's just about others having a inherent good in them, okay? And and people that I can actually connect with, okay? So, guys, I am looking to use this book to change my thought process so that I can build a better community and a resourceful life for myself and my lineage. Okay, so with that being said, guys, Napoleon Hill so far is so brilliant. Right now I am on page 64. I believe there's about 200 and let me see, 290 pages of this book. So I have not gotten too far where you guys cannot just go ahead and catch right up with us. If you have already read this book, Think and Grow Rich, guys, let us know in the comments. Let us know how it has helped you. If it's helped you at all. If it hasn't, you're okay to be honest with us in the comments, guys. This book is available on Amazon, I believe, in audiobook, ebook, and paperback. So, guys, order the book, okay? I prefer you order the paperback, okay? Because I think it's something profound about actually reading the pages yourself and kind of just working through the book personally. So, with that being said, guys, join the journey with me on Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. And together, we are going to self-develop better in this year than ever before. With that being said, guys, if you like this video, then go ahead and give us a like. If you like the fact that we are sharing a great book with you guys, a book recommendation, then give us a like on the video so that we know to create more content like this. Now, guys, if you want to be the very first to get content from us as soon as we drop it, then there should be a bell notification button above that you can click, and every time we drop a new video, you will get a notification. Now, some of you guys may want to join the family, and we'd be happy to have you here on my virtual home. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel. If you subscribe, guys, let us know in the comments that you subscribe so we can just love all over you. With that being said, guys, get your book today using our links so that we can grow as a community. We can think and continue to grow rich. I'm going to see you guys on the next episode.